Nigerian pepper soup is a popular and flavorful dish known for its spicy and aromatic broth. It gets its name from the generous amount of peppers used in the dish, from alligator peppers to bell peppers. While this soup is often made with various types of meat or fish, today we'll be making a plant-forward version. First, let's go over some of the key ingredients. Here we have some premium Selim peppers, also known as Ethiopian peppers, African calabash nutmeg, also known as erhe seeds, ground umilo seeds, grains of paradise, also known as alligator peppers. Here you can see the seeds hiding inside the fibrous interior of the nut. Uziza seeds, dried uziza leaves, vegetable bouillon, lemongrass, and makrut lime leaves. First, let's start by making the pepper soup spice blend. In a small stainless steel or cast iron skillet over medium-low heat, in a dry pan, add some grains of paradise, also known as alligator peppers, which bring a warm, peppery, slightly citrusy heat, Selim peppers, which bring a smoky, musky-like aroma, umilo seeds, which bring a bitter, earthy, and slightly nutty flavor, calabash nutmeg, which is a sweet, nutty, woody spice, and uziza seeds, which are spicy, pungent, and slightly herbal. Toast the spices, stirring and swirling frequently until fragrant, about 5 minutes. Let cool to room temperature, about 10 minutes. Transfer the spices to a spice grinder and grind until a fine powder forms, about 2 to 3 minutes. Empty into a small bowl and set aside. Now that we've prepared our spice blend, we can start on the soup. In a large stock pot, combine beef or vegetable stock, Nigerian red dry peppers or cayenne, bouillon cubes, salt, lemongrass, and the pepper soup spice blend. Cover and bring to a boil over high heat. Then, reduce heat to maintain a simmer. Simmer for 45 minutes. Add the makrut lime leaves and the remaining lemongrass. Here on the left, I have some dry utazi leaves. On the right, they have been soaked in water. Utazi leaves have a strong bitter taste, which can overpower the dish. Soaking them in water for a few minutes reduces the bitterness while still keeping their distinct flavor and medicinal properties. This helps balance the taste in Nigerian pepper soup, ensuring it remains flavorful without excessive bitterness. Drain the leaves from the liquid with a spoon and transfer to the soup. Cover and allow to simmer on medium for another 15 minutes. While the soup is simmering, in a separate sauté pan, add some olive oil, garlic, give the garlic a stir, and add yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Sauté until softened, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're ready to serve. Ladle some of the soup into a bowl. Add some of the sautéed bell peppers and garnish with sliced celery, sliced scallions, and cayenne pepper. Nigerian pepper soup is a bold and aromatic dish with a spicy kick, making it a favorite amongst lovers of West African cuisine. Enjoy!